Over the past 20 years, the nature of work has really changed. It used to be that when we left work, we actually left work. Now we are constantly connected, both in our professional and our personal lives. And this constant connectivity is really wreaking havoc on all areas of our life. So it's leading to burnout, depression, lifestyle diseases, and really we need to find a way to address this so that people can be happier and healthier, both in our professional and our personal lives. 83% of workers are suffering from work-related stress, and 63% of employees are so stressed that they're ready to quit their jobs. Work-related stress is costing American companies over $300 billion a year. So one of the things that companies can do to really help strengthen the stress resiliency of their employees is to teach them wellness tips. Now this might sound counterintuitive, but basically by changing little habits in individuals' day-to-day lives, they can have a big impact on the way they carry the load of stress. So companies who invest in their employees' personal wellness not only increase their employees' stress resiliency, but they see an increase in employee loyalty, the quality of their work, and the overall productivity. Research out of Harvard shows that happy employees are actually 31% more productive at work, and if they're in sales, they're 37% more effective at sales than the same employees at negative, neutral, or stressed. So companies really value Seek United's workshops, not only because we're teaching stress resiliency tools to help people better manage the stress of today's workplace, but also because it's increasing the productivity of their employees, their happiness levels, and creating thriving businesses. So personal wellness really is the new professional development.